Hi, I'm Chef George Mendez, and I'm the owner and executive chef of Ohio Japanese Comfort Food. I also have Tadeo Filipino-Mexican Comfort Food, which is located in Quezon City. I also have other concepts like Bird Tubs and Hatch Manila, which is located also in Quezon City as well. I've been a chef for 10 years and doing a food consultancy for quite a while. At this very moment, I'm very excited because I'll be using world-class quality and reliable Koizumi kitchen appliances. So join me and let's create a delicious yet very easy recipes using Koizumi small kitchen appliances.
Hi guys, so I went to the market today and I saw Maya fish. So I got inspired and I want to recreate one of the famous dish, but with a twist. And this is beard battered fish with garlic maple and Parmesan. Tara, let's cook it using Koizumi grill pot. So now let's cook beer battered fish with garlic maple and Parmesan. So for our beer battered fish with garlic maple and Parmesan, the ingredients we're going to use are, so for the batter muna, flour, cornstarch, regular beer, salt, and baking soda. And then for our fish, syempre we have to season it with salt and pepper. For our sauce, we have maple, cream, lemon juice, and garlic. So first, sa batter muna tayo. Mix our flour, cornstarch, salt, and baking soda. Then add our beer. Once it's done, chill natin. And then let's move to our sauce. Mix cream, lemon juice, garlic, maple syrup. Then season it with salt. Okay. So lastly, our fish, season it with salt. Other side. And then it's time to fry. So next, cover our fish with flour lightly. Then lagay natin sa batter. So by the way guys, Koizumi grill pot is 2000 watts. Very easy to use. Glass cover top surface, easy to wipe off dirt and clean. Maximum weight is up to 3 kilos including the pot. Metal uses aluminum alloy, good durability and corrosion resistance. And then fry na natin. So once golden brown na, pwede natin kunin yung mga fish natin. Then let's proceed to our plating. Let's get our plate in our Koizumi dish dryer. So here's our grilled battered fish with garlic maple and Parmesan cheese.